I'm going to ask you a difficult question. Maybe you've thought about it. Maybe you haven't. The question is this: do you know what would happen to your kids in the event anything ever happened to you? If you're like most parents, you may not know the answer. Even those parents who think they know are often surprised to discover that many of their assumptions are wrong. The fact is, if you're like most parents, you probably don't know what you don't know about how to put a plan in place to protect your kids. Until now, this information wasn't readily available. Hi, I'm Minnesota Will, Trust, and Estate Planning attorney Chuck Roulette. I've written this book to help you learn what you need to know as a parent to put a plan in place to legally protect your kids. In this book, I'll reveal the insider tips that you need to know. For example, you'll learn why it is so important to have a family emergency response plan that determines ahead of time who would be authorized to take care of your kids in an emergency. I'll share with you the simple 3-step process to help you figure out who to name as the long-term guardians for your kids. I'll share with you the 9 common mistakes parents make when naming guardians for their kids and how to make sure you don't make these same mistakes yourself. You'll learn the pros and cons between a will and a trust and how to determine which one is the best fit for you and your family. You'll learn a simple process to figure out how much money you need to leave behind to take care of your kids. You'll learn how to protect your kids from paying unnecessary taxes and court costs that can eat up tens of thousands of dollars or more. I'll reveal how to protect the money you leave behind for your kids in the event they later get divorced, get sued, become disabled, or simply have poor money management skills. You'll learn how to protect your family in the event you ever become incapacitated, and know to make sure your family would know what your wishes are in the event you become unable to express them yourself. We'll also share with you what you need to know as a parent when your kids turn 18 and head off to college. You'll also learn how to provide a lifetime of guidance to your kids in the event you could not be there for them. You'll learn all of this and much, much more. If you want to learn how to put a plan in place to legally protect your kids, all you have to do is enter your name and email in the form below, and a free copy of my book will be emailed to you. Thanks for watching.